If you've been thinking about getting your circulation going, then I love that idea. I'm Brooke with WTI, and this vibration plate exercise machine by HomePoweron is just the ticket. It works so great, and I feel like my lymphatics are flowing. I love that it comes with resistant bands. It has the remote or the manual adjustments. I can remove those bands and power it on or off. It's easy to use. It's simple. The suction cups keep it in place. I really appreciate the functionality of it and how it works. I really feel like I've done a lot of exercising while I'm on this. So if you, like me, don't have a lot of time, this is just so perfect after sitting and working to really feel like I did a good job in my short amount of time. So this is definitely a win and a must for me. I absolutely love it, highly recommend it. But that's just my point of view.